Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 quick and delicious healthy dinner recipes that will revolutionize your evening meals. If you're someone who values both nutrition and taste but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen, this video is for you. We've curated a variety of dishes that are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. From colorful, hearty salads to protein-packed main courses, each recipe is designed to be balanced, ensuring you get the right mix of vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients while enjoying every bite. In this video, you'll find step-by-step instructions for each recipe, making it simple for cooks of all skill levels to follow along. We'll walk you through the ingredient lists and provide useful cooking tips to streamline your meal prep. Whether you're a busy professional looking for quick weeknight dinners, a parent needing healthy options that the whole family will enjoy, or simply someone passionate about good food, our recipes cater to all. We'll cover a range of cuisines and flavors, ensuring there's something to delight everyone's palate. By the end of this video, you'll have a repertoire of go-to healthy dinner ideas that you can rotate throughout the week. These meals are not just about being healthy, they're about making your life easier and more enjoyable. Eating well shouldn't be a chore, and with our recipes, it won't be. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy meal ideas from our channel. Happy cooking!